What's going on, guys? Freezer Bound Outdoors here. We are currently heading down to meet the Pennsyltucky boys. They have a cool way to mount your European mounts, and they're going to help us out with our buck pull. So I brought Zed with us, our 130-inch class buck that we found in the woods a couple years ago, and we're going to let them put him in one of these mounts and see what he looks like. Make sure you guys stay tuned. The archery contest will be opening soon. We also have a button buck category. It's 15 years and younger. It'll not be teams, it'll be solo. So I just need a kid's name and age and WMU, and we'll get them signed up. So make sure you guys stay tuned. I will post a sign up on Facebook and a video on YouTube about it. Let's go. Hey guys. We're here with Jason from the Pennsyltucky boys, and he's going to show us how easy it is to put this up on the wall.
All right, guys, just give me a few minutes. I'll go get my stuff, and we'll mount this rack on one of our American steel deer mounts.
Perfect.
Okay, guys, we're here with Adam from Freezer Bound Outdoors, and we're going to show how easy it is to mount one of his bucks on one of our American steel deer mounts. So basically all you do is you put the these two little hooks right here in the back of the jaw. You slide it up in there, you slide your little wing nut in the back of the skull, and then all you do is slowly snug it down. You don't want to over tighten it though. And then if you need to adjust it, you can actually bend these up or bend them out to fit your skull a little better. So you put the wing nut in the back of the skull, you'll hear it open up. And it opened up. And all you do is slide it in there to the back of the jaw. I know it's going to be hard for you guys to see. And all you do is you run this screw down and you snug it up. Okay, I feel it snugging up. So I want to make sure that these two straps, roll it over son, make sure these two straps are up here in this jaw, so you just push them up in to make sure it's fitting nice and snug. Run it up in there, everything looks nice and neat and straight. Kind of hold it in place. And all you do is snug it down, and then I always use a regular Phillips head, okay? And you can take it and just wiggle a little bit, see where it's at, how tight it is. And I use a regular Phillips head, and I use it to snug it the rest of the way down. That way you don't break your skull or anything. You want to be careful, because I know how much time and effort you guys put into getting bucks like this. Basically, you snug it down, nice and snug. Look at it. Nose line's nice and straight. You can adjust, like I said, you can adjust these if you need to, and you're ready to hang it on the wall. We'll hang it right up here. And the good thing about this is you can change this skull out anytime you want to. That's it. Pretty simple. The American steel deer mount.